What's up, everybody? We are back for the Wesley's Yes YouTube channel, and we are here with another Monster Jam diecast unboxing. Here we have Tech Deck, Wreck Deck, one of Monster Jam's newest identities, if not its newest identity. Somewhat of a controversial truck. Some people don't care for the design of it, some people call it a flip-flop. I'm going to take a look at it in diecast form. I have seen this in real life competing before, and it does actually look pretty decent in real life. And then here we have it in diecast form, and it does actually have the grip tape. The grip tape is grippy. I mean, that's pretty cool. I've used some Tech Deck fingerboards before, and that is the same grip tape feel. They just use some Spin Master's already existing grip tape for it. Honestly, seeing this truck here, it actually does look, I mean, it's not the best looking truck of all time. It's not the worst looking truck of all time, but I mean, I actually like it a decent amount. I mean, a metal chassis? That is, because it rattles a certain way if you shake it. That I would know from a metal truck, yeah, and I can feel that's metal. I guess because the body is mostly plastic. Okay. Cool. I mean, got the logo there. Tech Deck, Wreck Deck, Monster Jam, Tech Deck, Monster Jam again. Got like the, under the board design. Can kind of see some sort of design with, like, then on this side you can see the eyes there, which are pretty cool. And then you can see the teeth over here. So, pretty cool truck. I mean, pretty neat. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about it. Thanks for watching Wesley's Yes YouTube channel. Goodbye.